These are the patriots.
Woo!
And these are the loyalists.
Woo!
Go.
That was terrible.
Go.
Woo!
Here at the scene of the battle with General Cornwallis. Exactly how many troops did you surrender?
I surrendered about, I'm not going to answer your question.
Alrighty then, getting a little feisty. Exactly how many troops did you surrender?
About 8,000 troops.
Okay. How exactly did you feel about the battle?
I have never seen such fighting since God made me.
March 15, 17.
Here's 10 facts about Yorktown. General Cornwallis surrendered to 8,000 troops, and French helped win the Battle of Yorktown. The British started out with 9,000, and the French were led by Marquis de Lafayette.
They fought in Virginia, and 381 men died.
Wait, it was the last battle of the Revolution. It led to the Treaty of Paris, and the battle lasted 21 days from September 28 to October 19.